hey, I've been declined for life insurance in the past. Can I still get coverage? What's a reason people get declined for life insurance? Normally, it has something to do with health. Here's something to note that if you get cancer, most insurance companies will not look at you for minimum 3 to 5 years of that cancer being in remission or completely done. Minimum 3 to 5 years. So some people might have gotten declined specifically because they had health challenges in the past. But some time goes by, and now it might be a better window for that insurance company to take a look at them and see if they're going to protect them. Maybe they were declined for driving record. Someone that has multiple DUIs, right? Multiple points on their license, suspended license, revoked license, something like that. Well, that insurance company might not look at you at that moment because, again, you're a liability. They're trying to cover your life with hundreds of thousands of dollars of coverage, but they're showing that you're reckless. You don't take your own life seriously. So they're not going to cover you. But again, you give it some time. Maybe it's 5 years, maybe it's 7 years down the line, that another insurance company may still look at you and say, okay, now they're in a better place. We'll extend them some coverage. So just because you were declined at one point doesn't mean you can't get coverage moving forward in the future. Just because something had happened in the past and you weren't in that place of getting insurance, it does not mean that another insurance company will not look at you. Now, on a life insurance application, they may ask those questions. Hey, has another insurance company ever declined you, re-rated you, anything like that? So we have to be truthful to make sure that people are that the insurance company is getting the right information. But it doesn't necessarily mean just because it has happened in the past that it'll happen again with a new insurance company. Most times you just got to give it a little bit of time in between so that they can make sure that you're a good bet for them, right? These insurance companies don't want to pay. That's the whole key. They don't want to have to pay out if you've only paid in $200 a month for 2 years and then you pass away. Like that's bad for the insurance company. So they want to make sure that you're not high risk and that they can take that chance on you. But yes, you can still get coverage even if you've been declined in the past. Again, for those of you that jumped in, feel free to drop your own question in the chat. If you have a question, we're going to answer them, but these are just some of the frequently asked questions that we get when we sit down with people and we educate about life insurance. These are some of the most common questions.